Thank you to Eunice for sending me this beautiful 24-inch, body wave hair. It comes with an adjustable comb. It is 5x5 lace and it has 3 combs, 1 in the back and 2 on the sides. So for the unboxing, they sent me a lace band, some lashes as well, a mirror, a compact mirror you can carry with you anywhere. It's very portable. It's very cute too. And also a foundation brush. Okay, this is a 5x5 closer, so I am going in and adding my powder foundation to my cap. They did send this cap as well. It is an HD cap, and I'm going to go ahead and spray and blow dry it down. And I do this method even though it is glueless, just so that it can give very much natural. It can lay flat. You don't have to worry about the cap riding on your hair or anything like that. So I like to use an eyebrow razor to get as close to my hairline as I can. And as you can see, these HD caps are the truth. They are very thin and sheer. I absolutely love them. Thank you again to Eunice for sending me these caps. I will be purchasing some more. Okay, let's get into the lace. Look at this. I did my baby hairs off camera because I wanted to add them, but you do not have to add them. I went ahead and put some powder on the lace. You really don't need it, but again, it's going to give scalp each and every time. Look at that. Pull it down, place it. Look at the lace. Look at the hair. It's body wave. It's very soft. It doesn't tangle. You can run your hands through it. Look at that. Just look at that. This wig also came pre-plucked, and you don't even need to bleach it at all. And it also came pre-cut. It's easy. It saves money. It saves time. And it overall gives you a quick install. 30 seconds. Look at that. I mean, it's so easy. So to make my wig flat, I am going in and pressing it out with my hot comb. And I'm also going to press the back out as well. You don't want your wig to look lumpy and bumpy. That's not it, girls and boys. So to add just a little more volume to the curls, I'm going in and I'm just trimming the front a little bit. Just trying to give a little layer so that the flip, when I curl it, is there. It's going to give bangs. It's going to give curls. Do y'all see the bounce on this curl? Baby, the hair can hold a curl. And your curls are going to look better because this is body wave hair. So while I was curling my hair, I did touch up my baby hairs. And baby, look at the net. I'm gonna take this off. Scalp. What lace? What bleach? What bleach? What lace did you have to cut? So you see, I am combing out my curls with a wide tooth comb. And look at how they just flow. It's so soft. Baby, I am in love. Eunice, the link is in my bio. The link is in my bio. Go get this hair. I advise you to run and not walk. I mean, watch the curls and how they come together. You see how I cut that layer there? And you see how it looks? Babe, you're that girl. Thank you again to Eunice for sending me this hair and reaching out to me and supporting my channel. Thank you all for watching and staying to the end. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Turn on your notification bell. And I will see y'all in my next upload. Do not forget, the link is in the bio. Bye.